Hi everyone, my name is VikkiToria. This is my second festive season makeup look that I've created. I've played around with more traditional colors, your green, gold and red. It's typical Christmas colors. So yeah, this is basically what I've come up with. The star of the show is the new LA Girl Glitterholic glitter topper. This is basically what it looks like, and I created this look around this glitter topper. It was so pretty, so I wanted to see what I could come up with, and it was just the right color and in time for Christmas. This nice gold color, and this is the color Gold Digger. So if you guys would like to see more pictures of this makeup look, you can check out my Instagram. I'll add the link in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get started. To start off with, I'm priming my eyelid with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 05. And I'm going to be blending that in with my finger. To set that, I'm going to be using this white shade in the Morphe 35S palette, and that's going to give us a good base to start off with all those beautiful Christmas colors. So guys, today the palette that I am going to be using is the Morphe 35S palette, and I'm going to be dipping into this green shade over here. So we're going to start off by placing the green shade in the outer part of the eye and then bringing it all the way to the inner corner, and I'm adding that color just above my natural crease. So if I look straight at the camera, my natural crease is right there where you can see the skin bend folding. So I'm just going to go above that just to create some more lid space, and I'm making a rounded effect on the outer side. I'm not doing a cat's eye today. We're just going to be sticking to traditional colors and traditional makeup. We're packing that all the way in our new crease to the inner corner. What I'm also going to be doing is just bringing that color in just a little bit on the lid. Next, we are going to go in with this shade, also a nice green color. It's lighter than the previous one, and we're going to be packing that right above that other color. This one's got more of a shimmer. And now I'm just going to be using this brush so that we can blend all of that out. So I'm blending all the way to the inner corner, right around to the outer corner, making small circular motions. Next, to give this look a little bit of dimension, I'm going to be dipping in to this black shade, and we're going to add that on the outer V. So I'm placing this a little bit more towards my natural crease, and I'm also just going about halfway and then slightly bringing that over my natural crease into where we placed that dark green color. And again, we are just going to be blending that out. Jumping back into that palette, I'm going to be using this yellow shade over here, and we are just going to be packing that onto the lid. From the inner corner all the way, fading into that black and green. And next is the star of the show. This is the new LA Girl Glitterholic in Gold Digger. Guys, just look at how pretty that is. So this was the inspiration for this look, this nice glitter. And on the box it says, obviously it's a glitter topper, and to use pat on lids using fingertips. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm placing that over the yellow from the inner corner all the way, and I'm not really placing it on the black, on the outer V. I'm kind of staying on the yellow part. This is so pretty for Christmas, guys, and obviously with glitter it's gonna go everywhere. Next we're gonna add some gel liner, and I'm using the Palladio gel liner in black. And I'm not really creating any sort of wing, I'm just connecting the bottom to the top, so it's a little wing but nothing hectic. Guys, so I'm not adding any false lashes today. I've got some lash extensions on and I'm going to keep the look simple, just add some mascara and see how that goes. So I'm using the Essence Get Big Lashes. Alright, so I'm just going to be finishing off the rest of my face off camera, and we'll be right back to finish off the bottom part of the eyes. See you guys now. Alright, so I'm back and now we are going to be doing underneath the eyes. So what I'm going to start off with again is this dark green color, and we're just going to be placing that underneath the eye. And I'm starting at the outer corner, as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm bringing that in about halfway, and I'm just connecting it to the top part of the eyeshadow as well. Now I'm going to dip back into that palette, into this black shade, and we're just going to add that just a little bit on the outer side of the bottom eye, just to give it some dimension, again connecting it to the top. Next we're going to dip back into that palette, and using this shade we're just going to connect the dark green and extend it to the inner part of the eye. And I also kind of want to swoop it at the bottom of the black and the dark green. And then I'm just going to add a tiny bit of that yellow right here by the tear duct. Now we just need to coat the bottom lashes. Next I'm going to add some highlight, and I'm going in with MAC Soft and Gentle. Just adding that to the brow bone, nose, and Cupid's bow. And I'm also going to be adding some of that right here. Last but not least, we're just going to add some lip liner and lipstick, and I'm going to be using the Kaleidoscope lip liner in red. Guys, and for lipstick I'm going in with Clinique Red Alert. Guys, so this is the final look. I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. If you guys also like this look, please give me some love and let me know in the comments down below what other looks you guys would like to see. Until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.